guys, welcome back to my channel, Miriam's Way. And today I'm going to show you guys how I do my winter deconditioner using the Aussie Moist. So stay tuned. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. I just finished washing my hair with the Manuka Honey shampoo. So I'm going to by Shea Moisture. So I'm also going to leave a link in the description box of that product. And this Ice Moist is very affordable. I think I got mine from my local Family Dollars, and it was like $3.99 for this Ice Moist deconditioner. And I also used their regular deconditioner too, so to add to it. And it has a lot of good stuff in this deconditioner. But this deconditioner is good for the winter time because it's so cold and your hair can get so dry and brittle from the weather. So it's good to have some good type of moisture in your hair. And I normally in the winter time I decondition my hair, wash it, decondition it, and I braid it up. And either I wear my scarf or I wear a wig or a protective style I do to my hair during the winter time, because right now it's rainy and gloomy outside, so it's like not really good weather for natural hair to last. So, and make sure you guys get your ends because that's the oldest part of your hair, and if you want your hair to retain length, you have to make sure you decondition it. Make sure you get the ends of your hair. Some hair shedding off a little bit. Why? So I can make sure you get to every strand. You fully coat it with a deconditioner. That's what you want to do. You want to make sure every strand is coated. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing of how I did the whole head, but you just keep repeating the same thing. You see how it's gliding? I'm gonna come back when it's all done. Okay guys, now I'm just finished the other 2 ones. Now I'm gonna show you guys one more time for this one in the front and how I do it. So what you do, if it's getting dry, spray it with water. And the water is going to make it more easier to distribute. This product actually works better if you're in the shower putting it on, because it's just something about that steam in the water. I feel like it worked better like that. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you do it outside of the shower.
taste. Yeah, you know you cold. Yeah, you intimidate. But give me the time of day. Let me move in close. Let's take an intermission. I'll show you things you're missing. You know my time ain't wasted. You know, you know. I'm good. I'm good. Don't stop till I get. I know it's getting late. Time flies when vibes I'm making. I know you wanna stay. My mind is steady racing. Oh, I think she modeling. I think.
The deep conditioner, and now I'm finna sit up under the dryer for about 30 minutes. Then I'm rinse it out. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I rinse it out. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out my hair, and now it's feeling really soft. So right now I'm using my DIY hair growth oil to put in my hair because I'm about to braid it up and probably wear a scarf or my wig on my hair. So right now I'm just putting the oil all through my hair. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.